step by step how to mix your pump gasoline with race gas or race gas ultra inside your vehicle. Depends on the needs of your car. First, remove the nozzle. Shake the can and mix it. Follow the instruction provided on the lid to open the bottom. Then remove using extreme careful, this lid. And remove it. Install the nozzle. Extremely secure. Open the gas lid, and then you can pour directly with the nozzle, but some cars may use a funnel in order to pour gas. For example, this vehicle needs a funnel. Start the funnel and just pour the product in the gas tank. This is one way to do it. And remember, consult the blending table for the desired octane rate. Remove the funnel, close the lid, and you're done. And remember, the best way to maximize this product is just mix it up inside an approved fuel container and follow the blending table, so you can have the perfect ratio, the perfect mixture based on your goals. This is for the brake gas, and here is the instruction for the ultra brake gas, which makes 110 to 112 octanes based on 4 gallons. One can in 4 gallons based on the quality and on the octane of the pump. When you're pumping from your gas station, you can make 112 in 4 gallons. Thank you.